So we have discussed in equal to what? Integration of sin x to the power n dx. Same way we can do in equal to integration of cos x to the power n dx. So for that also we can find out relation. So that I am not discussing because same way we have to do. So next we are discussing if I have in equal to integration of tan x to the power n dx, then how to do. So here also we will use by part. Okay, so here we will separate what? Tan square x and tan x to the power n minus 2, because tan square x we can convert in terms of what? Secant square x. So here what we will do, in equal to this one we can write integration of tan x to the power n minus 2 into tan square x dx. So what will come here? In equal to integration of tan x to the power n minus 2, and tan square x we can write as what? Secant square x minus 1 dx. So here we are using properties. So in will come what here? If I multiply tan x to the power n minus 2 inside, so what will come here? Integration of tan x to the power n minus 2 into secant square x dx minus integration of tan x to the power n minus 2 dx. This will come. So here in will come what? See, if I take tan x as t, then secant square x dx is what? Dt. So this is what? Integration of t power n minus 2 into dt. So here we can use direct integration. So this one integration we can write as what? Tan x to the power n minus 2 plus 1 divided by n minus 2 plus 1 minus this integration. So here instead of n, if I put n minus 2, so this will come integration of tan x to the power n minus 2 dx. So this one we can add what? I n minus 2. So here we got this relation. So this one we can add what? In equal to tan x to the power n minus 1, tan x to the power n minus 1 divided by n minus 2 plus 1, that means n minus 1 minus I of n minus 2 minus I of n minus 2. So here also if you want I of n minus 2, so here what will come? I of n minus 2 is nothing but what? Tan x to the power n minus 3 divided by n minus 3 minus I of n minus 4. Similarly I of n minus 4. So here what will come? Tan x to the power n minus 5 divided by n minus 5 minus I of n minus 6, and this will be continue till I2. So what is I2? So if I put 2 here, so what will come here? Tan x to the power 2 minus 1. So tan x divided by 1 minus I0. And what is I0? So I0 is what? Integration of tan x to the power 0 into dx. So this is nothing but dx only, and this one we can add x plus c. So like that we have to integrate. So here I0 we will get if n is what? Even. If n is odd, then what will happen? Instead of I2 we'll get I3, and instead of I0 we'll get I1. Okay, so if we are getting I1, then what will happen? Integration of I1 is what? Here what will come? N is what? 1. So tan x dx will come. So integration of tan x dx will be nothing but what? Ln modulus of secant x plus c. Okay, so instead of even, if n is odd, we'll get I1. So we have to stop at I1. Same thing here also. If n is even, then we'll get I0, and if n is odd, then we'll get I1 last. So integration of sin x dx is what? Minus of cos x plus c. So like that we have to do. So here we are taking one example. I7 equal to integration of tan x to the power 7 dx. So here n is what? Odd. Then what will come? So first thing is what? I7. Okay, so what is I7? Tan x to the power 6 divided by 6 minus I5. Then I5. So I5 what will come? Tan x to the power 5 minus 1, 4 divided by 4 minus I5 minus 2. So I3 will come. Then I3 is what will come? 10x to the power 2 divided by 2 minus I3 minus 1 is 3 minus 2 is what? I1. So what will come? I1. And what is I1? Integration of 10x dx. So this will come ln modulus of secant x plus c. So I7 what will come? 10x to the power 6 divided by 6. 10x to the power 6 divided by 6 minus I5. So I5 is what? This one. So if you put here, so minus of 10x to the power 4 divided by 4 plus I3 will come. So here minus 10x to the power 4 divided by 4 plus I3. And I3 is what? This one. So what will come here? If you put I3 here, so what will come? 10x whole square divided by 2 minus I1. And I1 is what? This one. So what will come? Minus ln modulus of secant x plus c. This is your answer. So I7 is what? 10x to the power 6 divided by 6 minus 10x to the power 4 divided by 4 plus 10x to the power 2 divided by 2 minus ln modulus of secant x plus c. This is your answer. Similarly, if I take n values what? Even. For example, I6. So I6 is what? Integration of 10x to the power 6 dx. So if I put here n value 6, so what will come here? I6 equal to 10x to the power 5 divided by 5 minus I4. Then I4 is what? 10x to the power 3 divided by 3 minus I2. Then I2 what will come? 10x to the power 1 divided by 1 minus I0. And what is I0? I0 is what? X plus c. So from here I6 is what? So I0 value we will put here, then I2 value we will put here, and I4 value we will put here. So what will come here? 10x to the power 5 divided by 5 minus, if I put this value here, so what will come? 10x to the power 3 divided by 3 plus I2. I2 value is what? This one. So 10x to the power 1 divided by 1 minus I0. So this will come what? Minus x minus c. Minus c we can write plus c also, that is not a problem. So this is what like that we have to do. So here we can see this relation. If n is odd, so what will come here? 10x to the power 6 divided by 6 minus 10x to the power 4 divided by 4 plus 10x whole square divided by 2. So if I get power 2, then what do we have to remember? Next term is what? Minus ln modulus of secant x plus c. Here you can see we are getting alternative, positive, negative, positive, negative. And if it is even, so what will come here? I6. So you can see I6 is what? 10x to the power 5 divided by 5 plus 10x cube divided by 3, then plus 10x power 1 divided by 1 minus x minus c. So like that we have to integrate. Now here we are taking one more example. So that example is, if I take n is 11, so I11, so this is another integration of 10x to the power 11 dx. Now I will discuss how to integrate directly. Okay, so I11 is nothing but what? 10x to the power, this is 11, so power will come here 10 divided by 10. Okay, so this is positive, so next time is what? Negative. Then here 10x power is what? 10. So this power we have to decrease by 2. So what will come here? 10x to the power, here is 10, so we have to decrease by 2. So what will come here? 8. Denominator is also same only. So this is negative, next time we have to come positive. So plus 10x, power we have to decrease by 2. So this is 6 divided by 6. This is positive, next is negative. 10x to the power 4 divided by 4. This is negative, so next time we got positive plus 10x whole square divided by 2. Okay, so till 10x whole square divided by 2 it will come. Then after that what will go? Negative. Okay, so last term what will come? Minus is coming. So here we are doing power is what? 11. That means odd numbers. So here what will come? Minus of ln modulus of secant x plus c. This is your answer. So after that you remember 10x whole square if you are getting, then what become minus of ln modulus of secant x plus c. Now if I take n is what even, for example I10, so I10 is what integration of 10x to the power 10 dx. So this one also we are doing directly. So I10 is what, here also we have to decrease power by 1. So what will come here, 10x to the power 9 divided by 9. So this is positive, next time is what, negative. Power we have to decrease by 2. So 10x to the power 7 divided by 7 plus 10x to the power 5 divided by 5. The next is what, minus 10x to the power 3 divided by 3. The next time is what, plus 10x. Okay, so if you are getting power 1, the next term is what, here is what, plus, the next term is what, minus. Okay, if you are getting 10x power 1, the next term is what, x, and plus c you write or minus you write, both are same. Instead of plus c we can write minus c also. This is your answer. So like that we can integrate. Okay, so if 11, okay, if it is odd, like that we have to do. If it is even, then we have to do this one. So if I power I13, I15 we want, same way we can do. Okay, so this you can remember.